Hello everyone. Today I will guide you about the topic backlinks in SEO. In this video, our points for discussion are what are backlinks, how do they work, type of backlinks, how to get the backlinks, and how can one check for the backlinks. Let's get started. What are backlinks? A backlink is simply a link from one website to the another. Search engines like Google use backlinks as a ranking signal because when one website links to another, it means they believe the content is noteworthy. And the most important thing is that high quality backlinks can help to increase a site's ranking position and the visibility in SEO. For example, as it is shown in the figure, site A links to site B and site B has a backlink coming from site A. So these are backlinks. Next we move on further discussing about how do the backlinks work. The easiest way to think of backlinks would be as conversations among the websites. For example, John is a blogger and he writes a very interesting article about a sports event. Another blogger, William, links to John's article when sharing his perspective. Since he writes about the topics on his well known online magazine, this will create a backlink to the John's post because the online magazine is very popular and many other sites will link back to his article. This will help him to increase the online magazine's authority, and John's article also gets a valuable backlink from a reputable site. So it's a win. Next, we talk about the type of backlinks. Basically, backlinks are of two types: no follow and do follow. No follow backlink. A no follow tag tells search engine to ignore a link. They don't pass any value from one site to another. So basically, link juice is not passed here. So typically, they aren't helpful in improving the ranking. Next is do follow backlink. These are the type of backlinks that everyone wants, isn't it? The thing you need to keep in mind is that those coming from the respected sites hold the most value, and this is helpful in increasing your search engine ranking. Next topic is how to get the backlinks. Here are the 6 simple ways you can start building quality backlinks for your website by adding links to your site on social media profiles, or you can do a Google search for a post that already ranks well and then improve it and expand it. Next is create list post. How to post, why post, infographics, or post with the embedded videos. The fourth way is write the ultimate guide post. Next, write guest post on other blogs and the websites. And the last way is interview influencers in your industry and send them a link. No doubt they will link back to your site. Last is how can one check for the backlinks. There are various backlink monitoring tools that can let you check your website backlinks, including Google Search Console, SEMrush, Href, etc. Keeping an eye on your backlink is very important. Thank you.